Welcome back, 5th grade. Today we're going to get started on the sketches for our emoji project. So just want to review the guidelines really quick. So we learned about Romero Britto, and we're going to be doing a painting in his style. So you're going to pick an emoji as the basis for your composition because Romero Britto used pop art for his paintings and sculptures, and there is nothing more current than an emoji right now. Fill the rest of the space with patterns and bright colors. That's what Romero Britto did in his paintings, and we'll finish with a black outline around the different objects. So what you want to do today is have this paper in front of you for your Romero Britto sketch. You're also going to want a pencil and eraser and something to color with, such as crayons or colored pencils. So if you read the directions, it'll lead you through what you need to do in order to create your sketch. So the first thing you want to do is start by drawing an emoji in the square below. And that should be nice and big, pretty much in the center. You can pick any of the appropriate emojis that you would like to. One of the animals is fine. One of the smiley faces is fine. If there's another object, you can obviously do that too. Some of you know how much I enjoy koalas, so I'm actually going to use the koala emoji as the basis for mine. So again, you want your emoji to be nice and big in the middle, and again, this does not need to be perfect. Mine looks a little wonky at the moment. That's okay, it's just a sketch. Big fuzzy ears. Okay, and then second, you want to break up the background into different areas. So if you'll think back to Romero Britto's artworks, he has his artworks divided up into a bunch of different spaces, and then he fills each of those different spaces with patterns. So you want to break your space up into a couple smaller areas because that'll make it much easier to draw your patterns in that way. All right, and then step number 3, add patterns into the different spaces. So come up with a design that you can put in each one. I would say that you don't need to make any of the patterns like super teeny tiny because you want to be able to paint this efficiently. If your patterns are too small, you're going to be doing this forever. So like this is a pattern, but it's a pretty big pattern. And then make sure that you include a variety of different patterns as well, because that helps make it look more visually interesting. All right, and if you see here, number 4, if you have time, color in your sketch. So that is definitely what I would invite you to do if you finish with that early. That way you can have a good plan for your painting.